Hi, my name is Mike Eaton. I'm the founder and CEO of Hero Clean, a line of home cleaning products built for those who work, play, and live hard. I'm an athlete. I race motorcycles. I used to bring my gear home from the track and I couldn't find anything in which to wash it that would get the bugs, the dirt, the oil, and especially the odor out. I also couldn't find anything to spray in my helmet, my gloves, my boots, stuff I couldn't wash that also didn't smell very good. The products that were available also smelled like bubblegum and flowers. All of these together are exactly why Hero Clean exists. If you work in a firehouse, you know exactly what I'm talking about regarding sweat odor, smoke odor, etc. This product is a great product line for you to consider. We hear from a lot of firemen out there, they wash their bunker gear in our laundry detergent one time and it comes out clean, versus 5 times with a lot of the leading brands. It's pH balanced, so it won't hurt the FR material. It's a really great product for you to consider. It's got 7 enzymes that'll get any stain you could possibly come up with out of your gear. It also has an odor control technology in it that gets rid of sweat odor. Really, really solid product. Our odor eliminating spray, it's got 3 different technologies in it. It's got 2 that work on immediate contact and 1 that has a longer term impact that gets rid of bacteria and creates an inhospitable environment for the bacteria to grow back. That's great for your helmet, your gloves, your boots, anything that you can't wash. We donate 7% of our profits to military and first responder causes. We're available nationally at Ace Hardware. We're made in America. Go to your local Ace Hardware, ask for Hero Clean, give it a try. We think you'll love the performance of the brand.